Smile for the camera.
Come on the table. Hang out for a minute.
It's the Parrot Pet Store. And this particular species has grown quite affectionate towards me. Oh, now she's climbing my shoulder. And she's giving me all nuzzly and shit. Look at that. All nuzzling up on me and stuff. It's so adorable, YouTube. Yes, it is. There she goes. Oh, now she's... Oh. She's nibbling on my ear affectionately. Does my earwax taste good? Oh, she's telling me secrets, YouTube. Chewing on my... Yeah, she's So what kind of bird is this?
That is a white-bellied kite.
A white-bellied kike? So this would be a white-bellied kike, YouTube. It's interesting for a bird.
Native to Brazil.
But, oh. No, she's really going to town on my ear. Oh, no, not my gauges. Leave my gauges alone.
Oh yeah, she'll take those right out.
We don't want that.
Careful.
Yeah.
And once she gets, if she likes a person, she doesn't want to get off them.
Yeah, I kind of noticed that.
Come here, you.
Once she likes a person, she doesn't want to get off.
Quit being a Velcro bird. Come on. Step up for me. Step up. Good girl.
There's a
Thank
good
you.
girl.
Baby good, huh? Hang out here. Good girl. Hi, baby.
Look at this handsome bird. How you doing?